Hello vinyl figure fans, so we're back with some Funko soda. Now this one is all about Mickey Mouse. So we got the Vampire Mickey, which is an international can, 12,500 piece, chance of I believe it's a black and white chase. Then we've got another Mickey Mouse. So this is Steamboat Mickey, which really that's Steamboat Willie. And that's an international can, 10,000 piece, chance of a chase, and in the chase I believe he's actually whistling. And then the final Mickey Mouse, which is from Disney's Fantasia, and that's a 12,500 piece international can. It's the Sorcerer's Apprentice Mickey. Loving it. So what one should we start with? Oh, so many Mickeys. I think it's got to be Vampire Mickey. So it'd be nice to get a chase, but I really do want the standard version of this because the orange just looks brilliant. So crack it open. In the bottom there is a token. So we're not going to look at that token because we don't want to know what one we got. We get the old scissors, give it a little haircut, and let's have a see. There it is, nice. So that is the standard figure, which I'm well happy to get. Ah, yes. There he is, Vampire Mickey. Alright, we'll take a look at the token. And that is Vampire Mickey, 1 in 10,500. Pretty cool. Let's take a clearer look. Okay, so that's definitely a nice looking figure. So we'll stick Mickey down there. And ooh, I think I'm going to go for Steamboat Mickey next. So 10,000 piece. We want to see him whistling. If he's whistling, that means you know we got the chase. Crack it open. So again, in the bottom should be a token, but we don't want to look. Right, get the scissors. Give it a little chop through. And here we go. Mickey Mouse, nice. So that is the standard figure again. Oh, I like that. That's cool. Yeah, right, let's take a look at the token. So, international token. That's a nice bit of artwork, old school. So that is a 1 in 8,400. Steamboat Mickey. Sweet. Let's have a look at them together. Pretty cool, pretty cool. Right, we'll take a clearer look. So that's the Steamboat Mickey or Steamboat Willie, depending what you want to call him. So we'll stick that one there. And for me, I don't know, this I think is my favourite. It's between this one or the Vampire. But let's crack it open. 12,500 piece, chance of a chase. Now the chase, he's got a couple of pails of water. So he's holding a bucket in each hand. So, I don't mind what one I get, but if I do pull the chase, I'll definitely be going after the common. Right, let's get it cracked open. In the bottom, there's going to be a token. Get up. So we're not going to look. Definitely a token in there. Can we pull a chase for the last one? Quite a big old figure. It's got a bit of a base to it. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. It's stuck in the bag. Oh, I can't even get it out. There he is. Standard figure, but oh, this looks good. I can get it out. There he is, there he is. Free! Ah, look at that. Apprentice. The Sorcerer's Apprentice. Got his hat, casting a spell. Big old grin. That's sweet. I like that one. Right, let's take a look at the token. And that is Sorcerer's Apprentice Mickey. 1 in 10,500. And quite a cool bit of artwork there. Nice. Alright, let's take a clearer look. So there we have it, 3 great Mickey Mouse Funko soda figures. So I really hope Funko bring out a few more of these. They're brilliant, love the Mickey Mouse. Well, thanks for watching and stay safe out there.